Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share a method that you can use to make money online from absolutely anywhere in the world. It's free to get started with, you do not need any skills or experience, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly how this method works, you'll know how to get the software, and you can get this set up today. It will literally take you 20 minutes to get everything set up. But make sure you watch this video to the end, because if you don't then you may miss some of the key points, and also more importantly you won't know the correct software that you're going to need. But this is a really cool method to make money online, and I was watching a webinar about 4 nights ago and somebody shared this on the webinar, and the software that you can get for free is just insane, but it's been out there and lots of people know about it, so I thought I'd go ahead and share this video with you today. So we'll go over the method, I'll share with you the software, and then we'll look at how you actually make money with this, because it's pretty cool. But look, this is 100% free, and as I've mentioned, you do not need skills, you do not need experience. What you will need is to put in some time and effort. So if you want to make money online, well, this is another method that you can use today. It's just going to take a little, and I mean a little bit, of effort and time. So let's jump into it and I'll show you everything you need to know and what you don't need to know. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Okay, so as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this is a method that I learned on a webinar a couple of nights ago, and I actually paid $150 to go on that webinar. And this, what I'm going to share with you and teach you today, this was the core of this. So it's been around for a number of years now. Not many people know, but I certainly didn't know about this. But if you do know about this method, drop a link down below. But as I've mentioned, it uses a free software, and it's available on Chrome, it's available on Firefox, and whichever Internet Explorer that you're using. So let's start right at the beginning. Sorry, let me get rid of this. Let's start right at the beginning of this. So for this method, I'm going to share with you the Fiverr platform. And I say Fiverr because it's very simple, it's very beginner friendly, but you can use this on many more. You can use Fiverr, you can use SEO Clerks, you can use Upwork, Guru.com, People by the Hour, and honestly, the list goes on, it really does. So let's go over to Fiverr, and we'll start right at the beginning. So I'm on Fiverr here, and as you can see, I've just typed in email list. So what happens here is people come over to Fiverr and they're looking for people who are interested in a specific niche or a topic. So let's say, for argument's sake, we have a blogger and they've just launched a new course. They're going to be looking for people who are interested in blogging, so they would come over to Fiverr and they would buy some of these gigs on here where people are selling email lists of people who are interested in blogging. And this is in any niche. You can do this in blogging, search engine optimization, weight loss, health, make money online, etc, etc. So you can see on here, we've got this one here. I will find a targeted email list and LinkedIn business addresses. There's many more of these on here, and I spent 2 minutes before this video going ahead and doing some searches on Fiverr, and I found a couple of different services. So you can see this one here, look. I will give you email lists of any niche, including pets, travel, crypto, blockchain, etc. This here will cost £82 and 1 pence. So bearing in mind I'm in the UK, so prices are in the UK. Now you might be thinking, well, he's got 10,000 emails, so he can very simply offer this out. And what I like about this method is, once you do the work, what I'm going to show you in a second, and I'll show you the software, once you do this work, and it'll literally take you 30 minutes an hour max, once you've done this, you can put as many of these different gigs over on Fiverr and sell these yourself. So there's this one here what I found, and then I also found another one over here. This, I will do targeted niche email list. You can see for 100 emails, this starts at £21.58. We've got a standard one where it's 500 emails for £82. Then we've got a premium, which is £168. So these people over on Fiverr, so like this one here we're looking at, this one here, and all of these ones on here, these people are basically selling an email list. So in order to do this and start making money on Fiverr and many different marketplaces, you would need an email list. And many people would getting an email list for some people would be difficult, and lots of people would say, go and purchase mailing lists and solo ads and all that stuff. And to be honest with you, yes, it can work, but it can cost you a hell of a lot of money. I'm going to show you a free version. So how are we going to do this? Well, we're going to first go over to Facebook, and we're going to focus on Facebook for this because this method works really well with Facebook. So if we go over to Facebook here, we're going to type in at the top a niche or a topic, so anything that we want to look at. So for this example here, let's just go with blogging. I'm going to type in blogging, and like I said, you can do this in any niche. So type in your keyword at the top, and then you're going to go over here where it says groups. So we're going to click on here, and you can see, I mean, I'm a blogger, so I'm actively involved in a lot of these blogging groups. So you'd go through and you would join groups for these different email lists that you want to start compiling. So let's just go into blogging news. So I'm going to go in here. Now, we're looking for people who are interested in courses and things specific to blogging in this example. So on the left hand side here, we're going to just simply type in drop email. Enter. Let's go have a look. So this one, not relevant. Hi guys, is anyone interested in learning about SEO? I have a new email course started for beginners. If you'd like to join, drop your email below. Look at this, 196 comments. So I'm going to click on here and open that in a new tab. I'm going to go and have a look at this now. Watch. So once this has finished loading, so here we go. Look at all of these emails here for people who are interested in blogging and search engine optimization. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to go ahead and copy and paste all these because this would take all day. And this method, I want to fast track this for you. So how do we go ahead and extract all of these emails on this page? Well, we're going to use a software, and it's a free software. So come over to Google, and I'm using Google Chrome, but you can find these extensions on Chrome, Firefox, etc. So we're going to go over to Google Chrome. Now this one I'm using here is called Email Extractor. So you simply go ahead and add this to your extensions, and it'll go up here with any other extensions you've got. As you can see here, it's currently had 100. It's got 103,829 users with a very good rating. An average rating of 4.6 out of 5. If you scroll down the page here, it tells you exactly, what this is, how it works, etc., etc. So you're going to go ahead and add that to your Chrome. And then what happens is, go back over here. See on here, all these email lists? Well, all I do is I go up to the top here, where the email thing is here, this email extractor. I'm going to click on there. Whoop, there is all 50 of our emails. So I'm going to go up there. I'm going to copy those. Then what you can do is just go over to Google Slides because it's free. Sorry, Google Sheets because it's free again. Go over to Google Sheets, create a new Google Sheet like this. And then all we're going to do is we're going to paste those in here. Now, let me go on here for you and paste this on here. I'm just going to go paste special, values only. That there is all of our email lists. Now, you could literally just keep going through all of these different posts in this blogging group and just find more, more threads and more things related to people, drop in the email below. See, look at this one here, drop your email. So you do exactly the same. Open this up in a new tab, go up here, click on this, extract the emails. Now, what if you wanted to make this a bit more professional and stand out above everybody else who's doing this? So we're going to go back here to this article here. So scroll up to the top, and then we're going to go back over here to our list. So what you can actually do on here is, so we'll type in here, we'll type in email, go over here, name, email, location, and then we're just going to drag this across like this. This bit here would take a little bit more time, but if you want to look a bit more professional when you're doing this, then you can do this. So instead of just sending people, a random spreadsheet of all this information, and look, you can do people do this. I've purchased these in the past where I've literally just received email lists like this. But if you wanted to make it a bit more professional and stand out, you would simply go back over to Facebook, go to the post that you was looking at. So this one here. That damn scale Gmail, let me just double check that. Is that the same one? Yeah, you see, this is the email. So what would we do on here? We'd simply click on the profile. And you can see we've got the person's name and where they live on here. So you can literally just type this in or copy this. So this is Mickey Jackson. So go back over here. I'm going to type in Mickey Jackson. Mickey Jackson, location. What was the location? Georgia. Atlanta, Georgia. And that's it. That is how you do this. So in this example here, you can see it's literally taken me a few minutes. We've got over 50 emails on here. So, and that's just from one group. And as you can see, it's that simple. So here on this post here, I would get all of these 50 emails. We then go back here and literally just start scrolling through here. And then once you've got these, all of these email lists, well, then you would save this here. And this document here at the bottom here where it says, sorry, let me move this down for you. Sheet 1, this would be rename, this would be a plugin list. So this here would be what you would upload onto Fiverr. You could then go and do another niche. So you could go and do make money online. You could go and do crypto. You could go and do health. Honestly, there's so many of these. But if you go ahead and you use the software that I've shown you in this video, then you can go ahead and build out lots of these email lists. And then once you've got those email lists, then you can go onto Fiverr and start creating these lists yourself. Exactly like these people here are doing over on Fiverr. So it's very simple to do. All it will take is time, a little bit of time and effort, but if you use the free resources that I've shown you in this video, then you can get this up and running. And that's it. So the software and the links and everything I will leave down below for you. If you've got any comments, please give me please leave a comment down below. But I hope you found it useful. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.